Hello, this is Matt from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. The only tool that's needed to complete this repair is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Okay, well, what we have here is a side-by-side Frigidaire refrigerator. Customer's complaint is it's not producing any ice. What we did was just going to go ahead and we'll pull the cover to the ice maker here. Now we're going to pull the ice bin out. And what we've got, we reach in there, we feel no ice cubes. To advance this, press there's actually instructions right on the side of the ice maker. You press this button here and you hold it for 15 seconds and the ice maker should go through a harvest to fill with water. Okay, we've been holding this for over 15 seconds now. The ice maker is not doing anything. So we're going to have a bad ice maker on here. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and replace it. Just going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver. Loosen the 2 top screws here. You don't have to take them all the way out. It just kind of hangs on these 2 screws. Just going to grab underneath the ice maker, lift it up and off. And you've got a connector back here. It's kind of wedged behind there. So pull it free. And you can see just have the disconnect right there. Just to press the 2 tabs. Move the ice maker. Okay. Well, this is our old ice maker here. This is the new ice maker. What we're going to do is remove the plastic piece here. This is what stops the ice maker from producing ice when the ice builds up to the level where it raises the lever arm. Transfer that over to our new ice maker. Just snaps in. And we've also got a new shield, which you can kind of look at your old ice maker to see how it's going to snap on. Actually, what the new ice maker came with was this piece here. So this piece has to be transferred. Just slides off. Slides onto the new ice maker. We're ready for installation. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and reconnect our harness. Okay, we got the harness connected there. And we're going to go ahead and just hang it on the 2 screws. Make sure this little air piece stayed in place. That's going to help direct the cold air up underneath the ice maker to increase production. Go ahead and use the 1/4-inch nut driver. Tighten down our 2 mounting screws. And we are going to go ahead and try to advance this ice maker. Hold this button. And this one's already beginning. It says 15 seconds, but you can see the rake starting to come around and the lever arm starting to raise. You release it, it stops it, so you do have to hold it for the full 15 seconds. Just keep your hand clear of the lever arm as it raises. The other thing you always want to check on any of these ice makers is the water pressure to the unit, but you can just check for water through the door. Common issue that'll cause these ice makers to fail is low water pressure, and they have a hard time scooping out the small cubes, and then they end up jamming up the rake here, and that burns out the motor. Now we've held it for 15 seconds. It's going to kind of go through on its own now. And we're just going to watch it fill, make sure we don't have any leaks, make sure the fill cup up here is aligned. The ice maker has filled. We don't have any leaks, no water dripping down. Just kind of stick your finger in there. You can feel that there is water in there, and it's a good solid fill. You want to make sure that you have water in each of the holes to make sure you've got a complete fill on there. Go ahead and replace our ice bucket. Put our cover piece back on. And that's going to complete the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.